Hi everyone, I am Sharat Arya and welcome to my channel EduVision by Sharat. So I am going to teach you mathematics. In this video I am going to explain you about the syllabus and blueprint of the second PUC mathematics, which is of Ncert. Let me take you to the notes, so where I can discuss you about the blueprint and the syllabus. So here is the blueprint. The first chapter, relations and functions. It is consisting of 9 marks. There will be one MCQ which is containing 1 marks and one short answer that is of 3 marks and one long answer of 5 marks. The sum of these questions will be 9 marks. So first chapter contains 9 marks. So inverse trigonometry functions, which is of 6 marks. Within this chapter we will have one MCQ that is of 1 mark, one short answer that is of 2 mark and one short answer of 3 mark, and this will contain 6 marks. And the third chapter is matrices, which is of 9 marks. There will be one MCQ which is of 1 mark, one short answer which is of 3 mark and one long answer which is of 5 marks. Total there will be 9 marks from this chapter. Determinants which is having one MCQ and one short answer of 2 marks, one long answer of 5 marks and one long answer of 5 marks. There will be a total of 12 marks. In the fifth chapter, continuity and differentiability, which is of 17 marks. There will be 2 MCQ in this chapter, which is of 1 marks, and one fill in the blanks, which is of 1 marks, and there will be one 2 mark question and one 3 mark question and one 4 mark question and one 5 mark question. The sum of 5, 4, 9, this one 12, 14, 15, 16, 17. So there will be 17 marks from this chapter. And integrals which is containing about 18 marks. In this chapter we will having 2 MCQ that is of 1 marks. One question will be of 2 marks, one question will be of 3 marks, one question will be of 5 marks and one more question will be on 6 marks. So the total of this chapter will be 18 marks. Application of integration. There will be only one question which is of 5 marks from this chapter, which is very important. And the next chapter is application of derivatives, which contains 8 marks. There will be one fill in the blanks and 2 MCQs which is of 1 mark and one 2 mark question, one 3 mark question. And the total of this chapter consisting of 8 marks. And the next chapter will be integration. Integration consisting of 18 marks, which will having 2 MCQs, one 2 mark question, one 3 mark question, one 5 mark question and one 6 mark question. Here we'll have 18 marks. And our next chapter is vector algebra. In this chapter we will having 2 MCQ and one fill in the blanks of 1 marks and 2 mark question and there will be one 3-mark question, and this chapter totally consisting of 8 marks. The next chapter is 3-dimensional geometry, which is having 6 marks. There will be one MCQ, one 2-mark question, one 3-mark question. The total of this chapter will be 6 marks. And our next chapter is linear programming, which is of 6 marks. There will be only one question from this chapter, which is of 6 marks. Okay. And our last chapter is probability, which is consisting 2 MCQs, which is of 1 mark, and also one fill in the blanks. One 2-mark question, one 3-mark question. There will be 8 marks question. The total sum of these, the total marks of these all chapters will be 120. Out of 120, you will be attempting only 80 marks. There will be 80 marks questions. Out of 120 marks, you should attempt 80 marks. There will be 14 marks choice. It is the pattern of the question paper. There will be part A. In part A, there will be questions, 1-mark question, 15 multiple choice, 5 fill in the blanks. So totally you should attempt all the questions in this part. So no choice in this part. No choice in this part. And there will be a second part, part B, which is consisting of 2-mark questions. The number of questions in this part will be 9. In that, you should answer only 6. Out of 18 marks, there will be 6 marks choice. You should attempt only 6 questions, which will you get 12 marks. And there will be part C, which consisting of 3 marks, 3-mark question. There will be 9 questions. Here also same. There will be 9 questions. You should attempt 6 questions out of 9. And these will be 3-mark question. You will be scoring here 18 marks, and the next part is D, which is consisting of 5 marks. There will be 7 questions asked, and you must answer only 4, any 4. So here you can score 20 marks. 15 marks will be choice. And the last bit is 10-mark question. There will be 2 6-mark question and 2 4-mark question. So you should answer any one question of 6 mark and one question of 4 mark. So here you can score 6 mark and 4 marks, the total of 10 marks. So without choice there will be 120 marks, but you have to attempt only 80 marks. So keep in mind, in the next video I am going to start our first chapter, which is relations and functions. Until that, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and share. So thanks for watching.